Hey everybody! Today I am working on a 14 by 14 canvas, and I did a video open cup pour just a little while back, and I had this really pretty color from Martha Stewart Crafts called Party Streamer, and I ran out and I thought I could probably make the color myself. So I got my FolkArt white pearl and I started mixing all these colors. So I actually started off with this one here, and I used Artist Loft quinacridone magenta, and it is so pretty. And then the next one I used the Fine Touch, and that is phthalo turquoise. And then I used Liquitex cadmium free yellow medium for this one. They're all really pretty. And then the Fine Touch, this one's just green. And then this one here, I used Artist Loft Phthalo Blue. And then I tried another pink, that one here, and that one is medium magenta. And then that is pretty purple, and that's Dioxazine purple from Liquitex. So I think what I'm gonna do today is a reverse ring pour, and that means I'm going to start on the outside and pour around into the middle, and I'm probably going to use some of my FolkArt white pearl in between the rings. So we will see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up, and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so I got my gloves on, and I went ahead and I put some white pearl on the corners, and I'm just going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to start with the quinacridone magenta pearl. I'm not sure if I'm going to have to do 2 cups. I've done a couple reverse ring pours, and I mean I've done them on bigger canvas though, so, and I've had to do the cup twice, so we'll see how this goes. I want to try to get the colors in there, each color in there twice. And I'm not putting any white pearl in between in the cup. I'm just going to do it after I get the colors poured. So we'll see how this goes. And all my paints are mixed with my pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, a Floetrol, and water. Okay. This yellow is really pretty too. They're all really pretty. I don't normally use this many layers and colors. I mean, I have before, but I tend to stick with, you know, 4, maybe 5. This is pretty full. All right, so I'm going to move these out of the way real quick. All right, so look how pretty that cup looks. So I am just going to go ahead and bend it. It's really full. And then I am just going to start right over here. Just go all the way around. I'll come back. Alright, so I've got my white pearl, and it did kind of fill in, so I'm just going to go ahead and just go around here with the white. And I'm just going to start in the middle, and I'll just go around just like that. And that really should be plenty. Fill that little bit in right there. There. So I'm gonna go over it. If there's any air bubbles. Okay, now I'm gonna move it. Okay guys, so I'll take you in for a closer look. It's been about 45 minutes. I had originally come back after 20 and I didn't like the way this corner was looking, so I moved it around a little bit more. I like it definitely much better now, and I just love the way these colors are blending together. I love, 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 love this spot right here where this bright yellow is. Got some kind of cool looking, almost like caterpillar-like cells. Not many cells at all, which is alright, I don't mind that. And then I love the way the colors are trying to come through faintly from that white pearl. And there's one cell all by itself right there. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let this dry, and I will be back. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. I'll take you in for a closer look. I absolutely love how this dried. These colors just look so beautiful. They blended amazing. And I've got that white pearl, real soft again where the colors are, you can see, just real soft underneath. It looks so pretty. And then of course this part is my favorite. Just look at how pretty and vibrant those colors are. I love it. And I still have some left, so I'm definitely going to be using them up. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my links in my description, and have a great day.